this class is kind of an interesting class because it's a hybrid, because of course we're trying to make sure that people who are on desktop have the tools they need and the people who are online have the same tools. So the class is structured in two pieces. The first piece is talking about invoicing and cash versus accrual accounting and the accounts receivable reports. And the slides and the references that we use are desktop based. And then the second half of the class is more about accounts payable and setting up vendors and the reports that you can run from there, 1099s, management reports. And then some overall, I'm kind of a budget freak, so we're going to talk a lot about budgets. And the second half, those resources will all be using online screenshots. So we tell people, you know, if you want to come just to the first half, that's great, come to the second half, but I think it's worth coming for the whole entire thing. We're going to talk a lot about overall bookkeeping concepts and accounting concepts that are not the normal conversation of most business people, but they really need to be in order for them to manage effectively. So I think it's going to be a really great 3-hour class. The SCORE classes are always really fun, and everybody has a lot of opinions and questions and specific things that they want to bring up. So it's really user-friendly for the rest of the class because we can talk about some real-world examples and come away with some really good takeaways.